Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to create Instagram account in a few seconds. First of all, click on Instagram app, then create new account, write your full name, select it and create a new password. So I am going to write a password which contains number and small letters. So show your password, create and click to save in. So after that you have to go and set your date of birth, and I'm setting mine. So yeah, Jan 1st 1999. So after that, create a username is visible, and I like to put on my Contentify name. So yeah, username can only include numerical letters. So Contentify 2 would be my next name. Yeah, next. So you can log in either with username or email also. So I like to choose email. So that would be contentify2@gmail.com. And next, so loading. So the Instagram sends code to my Gmail, which is contentify2@gmail.com. I like to check on that. So reloading it. Yeah, here it is. The code is here, and the code should be copied to the confirmation code. Now you have to agree with Instagram terms and policies. Now the Instagram profile is created, and you have to select a profile picture or skip it. Now yes, here is the welcome page of your Contentify Instagram profile. So you can skip your friend list, or you can add by following them. Yeah, so this is the final page of Instagram you have just created, and it will look like this. Thank you for watching the video till last, and please comment down below for more content.